Wow, I finally make it here with Tom to see his beautiful Watercress Company, where I'm trying to understand how can I use more British produce to create Italian dishes. So the dish I want to do today is a beef tagliata, a classic Italian dish with watercress pesto made out of watercress and pistachios and marrow bones. It's fascinating that I can use British produce for the most amazing Italian cooking in my 3 restaurants, Radici, Fiume and Sartoria. I mean, it's just great. I mean, it's fascinating. After 26 years in this country, it's a great opportunity for me to learn more about British produce and to use the best way possible my Italian great cooking.